What's up, everyone? It's Jonas Sim here, and I'm here at Monchoco and Ferd the Bird's party. And yeah, we're here at the Puppy Park. I think I actually forgot to do Monchoco, not Monchoco. Oops. Anyway, this is the party. So let's see if we can find Monchoco and Ferd the Bird. Monchoco is dressed like a green puffle. There he is! There's Monchoco! Oops, spelled it wrong. So yeah, this is a huge party going on. Very noisy. It is very noisy at this party. So we found Monchoco, but now we need to find Ferd the Bird. So we could find him. Where is this Ferd the Bird? There he is! Here he is, Ferd the Bird. Send him a friend request. And that was actually Monchoco favoriting and retweeting my tweet there, so you heard my phone vibrating. That was Monchoco retweeting what I said about the party. But here we go. Check out this party. Man, this is insane. Yeah. Where'd he go? I think he went to the plaza. I'm not sure if Crash or there. Where's one? There's Monchoco. Where'd he go? Is he still here? There he is. So chaotic. Oh my goodness. So, yeah, this is the party. We're on the server Husky. And, there are a lot of people. So, yeah, I'm thinking about doing more of these Club Penguin Party videos. You saw me do one earlier with my friend Puffle House 26. Now I'm obviously going to upload this one with Ferd the Bird and Monchoco. But let me know if you want more of your parties. They're really fun to do. It's really fun to just kind of log on and hang out with people. I'll send postcards too. Please said smile for camera. Oh, that was Monchoco. Let's see. Say hi to the camera, Mon. I'm recording this. Alright. Let Dodger dig again. There's Ferd. Yeah. No, that's Chibo. There's Bird. Ferd the Bird. Okay, I'm recording. Alright, Monchoco's going to the cove, so I'm actually just gonna teleport there. Let's see if he gets here. There he is. No, wait, no. There he is! Lagging. Can't dig. Yeah, I mean, this is a nice party. See how you get everybody to say I for awesome. Say I if this is awesome. I don't know how long this is gonna be. But, oh, it's fun. Nice party, huh? Say hi to the camera. That is Bear! Where'd the leg go? Where's Bear? Gonna ask. Are you a moderator? Why not? Oh, that's not the real is there. That's a 1. Okay, he said Monchoco, let's go for Wait a minute. No, I'm gonna go to Monchoco. Alright. So this is Monchoco Zigloo. Not bad. Good place to get out of the lag so I can put my normal outfit back on. I don't know why I'm dressed up like a cat. But this is the goodest time than ever to talk about updates. So, I mean, obviously we're doing a Collecting My Party video now, but do you want to see more of them? Less of them? But I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I'm having a lot of technical difficulties with my editing program. She's Windows Movie Maker at the moment. I want to get something good. But, baby steps. But, this is Monchoco starting. Looks like Dodger Day. Hi, Internet. Welcome to the Internet. Here we go. Say hi to the kid. Can't say the word YouTube at once, though. I guess there were two showing. Minus the A. You'll see it. Alright, so that's Monchoco's party. And I mean, we didn't get to do too much, but we got to hang out with him a little bit. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little party for 15 minutes. But see if we can find him. Let's see if he's still at the code. But I guess he's not here anymore. I don't know where Monchoco or Ferd the Bird. Actually, they could be at Ferd's Igloo. Let's check Ferd's Igloo. I'm gonna go by alphabetical order. See if they're even still online. Okay, there's Monchoco. There's Ferd the Bird. Let's check his igloo. Found him! If the reel will load. We're in a dance club. I don't think it's gonna load though. It might crash. Here we go! On Twitter, but they were at 200 coins from Dodger. Ooh, they want to play dance content on media. Go, go, go. Hurry up, Cadence. Hurry up! Oh god. Did I click single player by accident? Oh no. Oh no. Did I click single player? No, multiplayer. Medium. Here we go. Just bounce. I don't know if I'm in the game with Juan and Ferd. Oh, I am. Let's see if we can beat them. Oh, my up button doesn't work. Oh, because I'm not clicking it. board is so small. Oh gosh. It's so hard to do. The small arrow keys. Come on. Gotta get it. Monchoco's in first. I'm near the lead though. Alright, I figured out what to do. I have a feeling Monchoco's gonna win. Yeah, I'm in the middle now. It's so hard to do with these tiny arrow keys. You don't know. Oh god. Come on, don't mess up, please. No! Come on. We gotta do it. We're not gonna win. Mod's gonna win. Gosh. These arrow keys make it so hard. Last note, perfect! Boom! Oh, right in the middle. I think I beat Ferd though. Let's out there again. I think we don't want to do it again. Yeah, you know what, let's retry. Now I left. So much lag. Well, that's over. Alright, okay, they did. I don't know who I beat. I might have beaten Bird. See if they want to go over here. See if they want to play. I walked right to the same place. Alright, coffee shop. Games. The easy way. Gonna do this the quick way. Count throws. Quickly, 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 quickly. I do not think he will. I think he's too busy. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see if he will. Please, Senpai! The whole shit noodles are working now. That is amazing. He might be. Postcard me, please. Jonah Sim. Oh my god. What's he doing? Monchoco. Oh. Anyway. It's pretty neat. Let's see if Ferd will. Let's see. Not having gun. I do not want to say I if you're having gun. Not too good. Cool Dr. Dixon. Oh well. I think I gotta about wrap this up. It's been half an hour now. Oh, so does Ferd. Oh well. Alright, so I'm gonna end this off now. See you guys later. Just wanted to say goodbye to Monchoco. Hope you enjoyed the Club Penguin Party. Let me know if you want to see more or less, or whatever. But, I'm gonna go. This is Joe Sim. And I am signing out. Oh, wait, Dodger's digging. Yes. Go. Dig for me! That's right. Anyway, bye guys.